Hey guys, what's going on? It's that home theater dude with AVS Forums here at LG's headquarters out here in New Jersey. We're checking out the brand new 8K OLED. They are the only ones that have an 8K OLED. This thing is incredible. We're going to talk about it in just a second.
This is our 88-inch Signature Series Z2 OLED. It's the only available OLED TV with 8K resolution. So you not only have all of the beauty that an OLED panel can provide, like pixel level dimming, perfect black levels, rich vibrant color, but also 8K resolution, meaning over 33 million pixels make up the picture. So you can get right up close and not see any pixel structure. It's like looking out of a window. This will be available soon in 2022.
All right, guys, that's the 88ZX from LG. This is their 8K OLED. This thing is just incredible. Like, it's just so liquidy in person. You just want to reach out and touch it. This thing is nothing beats the picture of an incredible TV. Really, really enjoy this thing. That's all I got. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.